I'm taking on the challenge of turning my passion into a full-time income. Can I really make money doing what I love? Let's find out. Making money doing what you love is a dream shared by many, but achieved by few. It's the ultimate goal, isn't it? To wake up every morning excited to tackle the day, to feel fulfilled and purposeful, and to reap the financial rewards of pursuing your passions. When you're doing what you love, it doesn't feel like work at all. You're more motivated, more productive, and more likely to succeed. So, why isn't everyone doing it? One major obstacle that holds people back is fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of leaving a secure but unfulfilling job behind. What if I'm not good enough? What if I fail? These fears can be paralyzing, causing many to play it safe and stick with a career that doesn't bring them joy. Another challenge is lack of knowledge. How do I even turn my passion into a career? What skills do I need to develop? Where do I start? Many people also struggle with the idea that making money from their passion will somehow taint it. That it will make it less enjoyable, less authentic, or less meaningful. But the truth is, when you're doing what you love, you want to share it with others, and getting paid for it is simply a bonus. It's not about selling out, it's about living a life that's true to who you are. Then there's the issue of self-doubt. Am I really good enough to make a living from this? Is my passion just a hobby, or can it be a career? These doubts can be overwhelming, causing people to give up on their dreams before they even start. Freelancing is a great way to monetize your passion. By offering your skills to clients on a project-by-project basis, you can earn a good income while maintaining control and flexibility. Creating digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software, is another lucrative option. Once you've created the product, you can sell it multiple times, generating passive income. Starting a business can be more challenging, but it offers unlimited potential for growth and profitability. Whatever path you choose, the key is to identify your strengths, develop a valuable skill set, and be willing to learn and adapt. Let's take the example of a professional photographer who turned her passion into a successful business. She started by freelancing, taking on small projects to build her portfolio and gain experience. As her reputation grew, so did her client base, and she eventually landed a few large contracts that enabled her to quit her day job. Then, she created an online course teaching photography skills, which became a bestseller. Today, she's earning a six-figure income doing what she loves, and inspiring others to do the same. The key to her success was her willingness to take risks, to continuously improve her skills, and to adapt to changes in the market. She didn't let fear or self-doubt hold her back, and she didn't give up when faced with obstacles. She stayed focused, worked hard, and remained true to her passion. So, what's the takeaway? It's possible to make money doing what you love, but it requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and grow. I hope this video has inspired you to take the first step towards turning your passion into a profitable career. If you're ready to start your journey, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. What's your passion, and how do you plan to monetize it? Be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and strategies on turning your interests into income.